In this video, I will show you how to open incognito window in Chrome. Incognito means your activity data isn't saved on your devices or to a Google account you are not signed into. For example, you may use incognito mode to shop online for a birthday gift for a family who shares your device so that it will be a big surprise for them. Incognito or private mode will keep your local browsing private. So let's get started. Open your Chrome window and go to these three dots. In these three dots, you will see new incognito window. Click on it. And now this black window which has been opened, this is the incognito window for Chrome. And here it has been mentioned as well, you have gone incognito. So this is how you can open the incognito window in Chrome. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.